Hey guys, it's Eric back with another toolbox checkout, I guess we'll call it. This is my favorite size toolbox. This is also a Craftsman S2000. This is the 42-inch toolbox. Some call it a 41 or a 46. They're all about the same. They're just counting the handles on the side if they go with the change there. Nice, got the pegboard in the back, got the power supply up top. Nice deep cabinet here or shelf up on the top. And it's on sale. I don't know how long that sale lasts, but when I looked at it here around Thanksgiving in 2024, $259 for the top box, $339 for the bottom box. A very competitive price for this size toolbox. And I love the layout of the 42s. The setup with the smaller drawers on the right and the good long drawers on the left give you the ability to put a variety of tools in there. This is the setup I had growing up. I had a 26 with the add-on side cab, so it was pretty much identical to this. And it's just a good DIYer box or entry-level box. You can see they make it in the classic red. They also make it in black. It does have the quiet close drawers or quiet slide drawers. It does have those top caps for protection. And it's just a good paint finish on these too. Yeah, I just want to make another quick video on these. I've just was out traveling around, and I figured, you know what, maybe I could share this with you in case you don't have one of these stores near you. Thinking about buying something like this online, get a little up close. But you can see it has the pegboard, both on the top and the sides, and the handles and all the rest. So pretty cool. Till next time, my friends, take care.